Still believes pregnant women shouldn't exercise?
Come, let's clear all such myths together. Exercise causes miscarriage and complications during pregnancy.
No, you can actually perform moderate exercises within safety limits and it will actually reduce the risk of complications. Exercise can harm the baby.
No, as long as the pregnancy is healthy and exercise is done under professional guidance, that will not harm your baby. In fact, it improves the oxygen supply and the blood supply to the fetus.
Bed rest is best way to manage pregnancy related pain.
No, actually resting for a long period of time increases your pain and stiffness. Physiotherapy encourages you with safe movements and exercises, which will help you reduce your low back pain, sciatica pain, pelvic girdle pain, which are mostly common during pregnancy. Don't start exercising if you weren't active before pregnancy.
No, it is safe to perform low impact exercises during pregnancy even if you weren't active before, but it is best to consult your gynec and physiotherapist first. Only yoga or walking is allowed during pregnancy.
No, it is not like that. You can do swimming, you can do Pilates, you can do stretching. Everything can be done during pregnancy, but all this is to be done under expert guidance. Next, strength training is not to be done during pregnancy.
No, it can be done during pregnancy because it improves postural alignment, it prevents musculoskeletal imbalances, but it should be done under physiotherapy guidance.
All women experience the same changes in pregnancy.
No, every pregnancy is different, and there are same physical changes seen in all female, but how they affect that individual is very different, and it also depends on the pre-existing condition, lifestyle habits of that individual. Core muscles should not be activated during pregnancy.
False. Core muscle activation is very essential during pregnancy. Physiotherapy in antenatal care helps in core engagement, which helps to prevent diastasis recti and also helps to support the growing baby. For more such informative videos, follow PhysioMinds.